Hello, and welcome to the Math 0361 Test 1 review. For everyone listening out there, first of all, welcome to TCC. I hope your classes are going well this semester. And thanks for tuning in to the first test review. Hopefully you will get a good grade on the test and have a great start to a great semester. Let's get started. In question 1, you notice 5 bracket 5 plus 5, parentheses 7 minus 2. One way of solving is just put it in the calculator and get an answer. But if you don't have a calculator, here's how to solve. The first step is to deal with 7 minus 2 because that's in parentheses. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Excuse me. Well then, this 5 will multiply this 5 next to it to become 25. After getting this far, this 25 will add to this 5 right over here. And 5 plus 25 is 30. But wait, there's still a 5 outside. And this 5 is going to multiply to 30 to become 150. And that is the answer, 150. In question 2, you'll notice we have a fraction. Well, with fractions, what we can do is to first deal with the top and then with the bottom. Up top, I notice 8 minus 5. I know what that is, it's 3. But then that 3 can multiply to 6 to become 18. And then 3 plus 18 becomes 21. That takes care of the top. For the bottom, you see 4 exponent 2. Exponent 2 just means 4 times 4, which I know is 16. But then 16 plus 2 is 18. So as of right now, our answer is 21 over 18. But guess what? You can divide 21 and 18 both by 3. (21) divided by 3 is 7. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And we have an answer, 7 over 6. Very good. Oops. Okay. All right, in question 3, you'll notice we have letters. X exponent 2 minus 5y plus x. But we know that x is 20 and y is 6. So let's make those changes. So for x squared, I'm going to write 20 squared. Then minus 5 times 6. And then plus 20. Well, 20 squared is actually 400. 5 times 6 is 30. 20 is 20. If you combine, 400 minus 30 is 370. 370 plus 20 is 390. That's our answer. Question 4 will work the same way. Again, we know what x, y, and z are. I know x is 6. I know z is 2. And I know y is 3. So as we work this, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 plus 9 equals 12. Okay, question 5. What I'm interested in is like terms that have the same letters. Like negative 3m, negative 7m. And this m, which is really 1m. First, let's do 1 minus 7 minus 3. Well, 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 9. So we get negative 9m. 5, that plus 5 at the end does not have an m. So nothing happens. That means the answer is negative 9m plus 5. And we'll leave it as that. Okay, question 6. In question 6, we can accomplish our answer by distributing. First, 4 will multiply to x and n to 2. So 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 2 is 8. Next, you notice a negative sign, but no number. Well, there is a number. It's really 1. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. And negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. At this point, what we will do is combine x's with x's, numbers and numbers. So first, 4x minus 2x is 2x. So that's one answer. And then 8 plus 7 is 15, the other answer. 2x plus 15. All right, in question 7, they'd like us to subtract 9x plus 10 from 6x minus 10. All right, first of all, very important. When you see subtract from, this means reverse the order. Specifically, what this means is it'll go 6x minus 10 minus parentheses 9x plus 10. You're probably wondering why I put 9x plus 10 in parentheses. There's a reason. The reason is the subtraction affects both the 9x and the 10. So I put the parentheses in as a reminder that I have to affect both the 9 and the 10. What's going to happen is there's really a negative 1, so it'll be negative 9x and negative 10. First part stays the same. And from here we can combine like terms. So 6x minus 9x is negative 3x. And then negative 10 minus 10 is negative 20. That's our answer. All right, question 8. They'd like us to translate from English to math speak. All right, the first phrase, triple a number. That just means 3x. Next, the word minus. Okay, minus is minus. And then you see the word the sum. When you see the sum, what you have to do is do a set of parentheses and put a plus sign in between, in the middle. Well, what goes inside? A number and 3. That means x and 3. Okay. We've translated. Let's solve. Again, this negative, which is really negative 1, will distribute to x and 3. So you get negative 1x minus 3. Still have 3x waiting. And then finally, 3x minus 1x becomes 2x minus 3. All right, question 9. In this problem, I'd like to get x alone. Here's how to do it. I like to do the opposite. Like right now, you see x plus 2. Well, if I want to move it over, I'm going to have to do it as minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And that's your answer, 2. In question 10, we're going to have to do a lot of distributing in like terms first. So first, negative 4 will distribute to x and 2. So you get negative 4x. Let's try that again. Negative 4x minus 8